Hey guys, I'm Captain Steve Browning with Waterfront Adventures, and this is my in-water guide tour. We're going to kind of take you through like a step-by-step process of how we set up the boats for a typical Manatee tour.
All right, so when I get here, we're gonna start getting the hot cocoa and hot coffee started. I'm gonna get those in some canisters. Then I'm gonna get the hot cocoa box filled with all the fun stuff like tea and hot cocoa cups and all that. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and get some towels and masks, and we're gonna go ahead and head down to the boat. All right, now that we're at the boat, we're gonna get this all unloaded, gonna get that hot coffee, hot water, and our cocoa packs and everything on there, towels and masks. After we're done loading the boat, we're gonna walk back to the shop. We're gonna go ahead and get everybody ready, signed in, getting some wetsuits. Then we're gonna go ahead and watch our Manatee Mainers video. After that video, we'll come back to the dock, get on the boat, and get on our adventure. Now, once we get you on the boat, we're gonna get you guys all seated and comfy. After that, I'm gonna hand you guys out some masks and snorkels. As we're on the adventure and kind of cruising around the bay, you guys are gonna get those masks and snorkels fitted. Once you have those fitted, you guys can start looking around, checking out the scenery and the wildlife. We're looking for noses from those manatees popping up, their backs sticking out of the water, the footprints from their tails kind of shown on the surface. Then after that, we're gonna see a lot of fun wildlife like birds flying around, the turtles poking their heads up out of the water, mullet jumping out of the water. Once we get to our kind of final destination, we're gonna slowly get into the water with our manatee, and we're gonna just kind of passively observe them. We're not doing nothing crazy. After that, we're just gonna kind of float and have fun.